Good day. Welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Michael Klomp and I'm a technical support consultant at Prokon. Today I'm going to illustrate to you how to add a fan bar by using Probar 2D. This video will illustrate how to draw in a fan bar by following the AutoCAD prompts. For more information on the parameters of the Add Bar dialog, you can refer to the Probar 2D videos on how to add single and group bars. Select the fan button in the Type to Add box. First pick the bar start and end insertion points. If you are using a shapecode 38, you can specify the A and C dimension. Then choose the group start and end point. Thereafter, specify the location of the text. Lastly, decide whether or not to reduce the cover of the bar. To ensure that the member's full area has been detailed, click on the Expand Bars button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.